Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for new uploaded videos. Here are the items that you will need. You will need some new razor blades, of course. I got these from Dollar General. I like these because you can take the old razor blades out and put them in the back. It's a great discard for your old blades. I got them from Dollar General, yes. And a little brush to clean out your razor combs and your two razor combs. And these are two different type of razor combs, so that's why I wanted to show them to you. These are double-edged blades, so definitely be careful when you're taking them out. So I've already discarded the old blades, and now I am cleaning the razor combs. Now this one has 4 notches on it. And this one has 2. And it also has a little thing at the bottom that says open. I broke one of the notches on this one, but it's still, I'm still able to use it. Now with this one, all you have to do is push it up like it says, lift it from the top, and open. And it slides up, and then you can take the old razors out and put your new razor blades in. I love these things. I don't buy them, so you see how old this one is. I've been using this one for a while. Even the teeth are starting to break. So by replacing the razor blade instead of the razor comb itself, you come out ahead, okay? I just wanted to show you again how you can do this, okay? And yeah, thank you so much for watching how to replace your razor blade from your razor comb, okay? Bye-bye.